So, fashion designers and tailor, welcome to my channel. My name is Caleb. I am the one who continues to give young fashion designers or anyone in the industry at all the ability to use technical tools and maybe help grow their business through the online space. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you one very important tip that I see that is disturbing fashion designers today in the industry. Now, your client wants you to send them design because they want to pick from it so that you can make that design for them. The next thing is you went to their WhatsApp and started flooding them with a lot of pictures. Oga, calm down. There's a better way that you can do this, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So stick to the end so that you can derive value from this video. After locating the Google Drive, you wait, let it load a bit. Sometimes it could be faster depending on network issues. Okay, now click on the plus sign on the bottom right. So you see the options of folder. Click on the folder, then name the folder whatever name you want to call it. For this case, I'll call it My Styles. So you create the folder. In this folder, this is where you'll be uploading all the pictures that you want or any of your designs that you want to share with your clients. So you click on the upload button. It brings you to your gallery. Then you select all the pictures that you want to upload to this folder. After uploading it, you see that all the pictures are now available in your folder, My Styles, or whatever you named yours. Then locate that My Style folder, click on it again. You are going to be editing it this time so that it would show to only people that have access to the link. Only this folder will be accessible to whoever you are sharing it with. They will not have access to any of your other folders. So now you have to edit the status of the folder, whether you want the person to have the ability to be an editor or a viewer. But in this case, I would advise you leave it to viewer alone. Then after updating the link, you can now copy the link and then go to the client's page and share just the link with this client. So the client will be able to access only the folder that you gave them access to. So this is 2025, dear friends. There are so many ways that you can make things easy for yourself as a fashion designer, and it even makes you appear professional before your clients, because there are so many people I have sent my link like this to, and they were surprised that contrary to what other tailors are doing, they are just saying this for the first time. So it positions me as an authority in the industry. So today, if you use the formal method, this is a new approach for you. There are also different ways that you can send your catalog to clients. There is WhatsApp business catalog. When you go to your WhatsApp, you'll be able to see a catalog space, add your pictures, add the prices, so that whenever client comes to you, you can always share those things to them instead of flooding their phones with images that they might just look at once and then that's. If you derive value from this video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that when next I drop a video like this, you will be notified. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. I have a lot that I'm going to be sharing with you in this space. Until next time again, I am Caleb, the creative director at Caleb Culture. See you on the next one.